Um, sorry I wasn't able to film last week. I kind of had a lot going on, but I knew I wanted to do something Euphoria related, Euphoria inspired, obviously, since that is happening right now in this season. It's crazy. Last week's episode, honey, between Cal and Cassie, everybody need help. Everybody just needs to get their shit together. Anyway, but yeah, so I knew I wanted to do something Euphoria related. I don't exactly know what I'm trying to do. I've done my base already, and I like put like a crap ton of highlight on because, you know, iridescence something. I've got a few palettes over here that I might play around with. Like, I've got a couple ColourPop palettes that have some like pretty shimmer shades. I have my Beauty Bay Book of Magic palette that I haven't dipped into in a little while, and I do love this palette. I mean, there are like some kind of cool shades in here as well, like this kind of duochrome moment right here. And then I also have my Cara Beauty palette with all the, sorry if I'm blinding anybody, but with all of the like shimmers and grays, cool tones and stuff. Like, you know, maybe like this shade or this one's pretty pigmented. So yeah, don't exactly know what I'm doing, but we're just, we're just going to play around and see. I feel like this is gonna be maybe more of a simpler look. I'll see. I do know, okay. Ideas, friends, ideas. I kind of want to play around because I've never done a look with graphic liner. So maybe I'll try that today. I wish I had a white. That would have been good for this today. But I'm going to attempt with my e.l.f. black liquid liner. Hold up, you guys. First try. Is it even? It might be even. I need to kind of touch up a little bit, but I look crazy, but I've literally never done this before. That's actually not too bad for my first time. Okay. I'm wondering, should I leave it here or should I connect all the way? Girl, I don't know. But I know I'm gonna do like another line here too. Ooh, okay. You know, we've got something. Okay, I might just put on like a base shade first. Maybe this color right here. Maybe that'll make the, you know, the iridescent shades and stuff pop even more. Maybe. Let's try it. Oh gosh, I'm knocking over things. Just go like this. Just kind of a base. I feel like this top is throwing me off because I really want to play with this kind of iridescent shade here. I really want to play with that, and it's just not gonna go with this, so I really should probably change. But okay, I do want to play with that pretty iridescent shade, so I'm gonna put this on. That's the shade Crystal. Like, hi, that just looks so pretty. Okay. Ooh. Oh, yes, honey. Yes. That shift. Yes. Okay. Okay. Actually, like with the other base shade, it's actually, you know, yes. It's a very pretty shimmer. You guys, I really wish I had a white liner. I wish I had a white because I just feel like the white with this would really, we'll see where this goes. Okay, and what I wound up doing, I just put a little of this silver in the Beauty Bay palette right here. Just put some of that in the inner corner. And what I'm thinking I might try to do, like I said, I'm gonna put some more eyeliner here. And I think I want to cover it with a shimmer shade, maybe, since I don't have any like jewels or anything. I wish I did, but I don't. Yeah, so we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna use my Maybelline lasting, whatever, Maybelline gel liner. I'm gonna try the gel liner for this because I just think I can guide it a little bit easier. Too much. Hold up now. Okay. I know they say not to pull on your eyes like this, but it's so hard not to. Just helps get that line, you feel me? Okay. Not mad. Not mad. Now, this can probably make or break what I'm trying to do. Okay. Sorry, you guys. I really have no idea what I'm doing right now. Something I could try. Okay, because I'm thinking either that pretty silver shimmer kind of shade, or I could even use, I have an e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow here. And maybe over that it could look cute. I don't know. I'm gonna try one and we'll see. I need the fallout. Okay. I don't know, does that look crazy? It might look crazy. I would say the fallout actually might not be bad for this. Because, you know, Euphoria is just all glitter. Maybe that would be bad. Maybe I could, like, dust it off. Or, okay. So that's what this looks like. Just to see, just to compare. I'm gonna try the liquid shadow. Oh, actually, hold on.
It's the first thing that I've ever named. I'm stealing your thing.
I mean, well, you know, there is a Mascara cast flying in it, make my signature guide.
Okay, that's fine.
Because I need all of my tech, you know, after.
I should name it after D&D monsters, so if I wanted to call it anything, I should call it an Astral Dreadnought if I wanted to be fucking nerd.
No, don't do that.
Skip Hopper.
Yeah, Skip Hopper. Yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah. Alright, I'll let you go, bud.
Yeah, I mean, you're not interrupting anything. But,
Yeah, I'll play the new season of Apex as well.
yeah, I mean, also, like, no obligation, just, like, do what you want to do. I mean, just, I mean.
So, yeah, what I'm gonna do is, my friend Jordan from work, he's one of the assistant managers. He's gonna...
Okay, guys, I'm debating if I want to do, like, glitter tear moment with this. Easier now. bitch. Hold up, y'all. That actually might be cool. Does that look cool? That might look cool, especially in certain light. Oh, oh, she's artsy. Mm-hmm. Like, I'm crying. I'm sorry, I'm crazy, y'all. Okay. Cause you know, I really like have no idea what I'm doing. But like I'm not mad. Yes. I'm not mad. Especially when the light hits, you know? Could be a moment. Okay, great. We're crying glitter. Love that. I should probably let this dry and do some mascara. I definitely need a lash with this for sure, cause honey, yeah. You guys, I changed the shirt. This is kind of giving, is it not? Is it giving? It's kind of giving. I'm not mad, and I tried something different. I never done the graphic liner before. Not gonna lie, it might be a little moment. Yes, you guys. And I just used my Morphe, the nude lipstick. What shade is it? It's just Boo. Okay. Anyway, but I used that because I think the eyes are doing enough talking. So, yes, you guys. Is she in Euphoria High School? Maybe. Okay. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I will be back next week with some more. Bye, you guys.